Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have studied definition of T-naught space and solved examples on T-naught space and discussed two theorems on T-naught space. Okay, now let me discuss one more theorem on T-naught spaces. Okay, let X a topological space X tau is a T-naught space if for any distinct arbitrary point x minus y of x, then the closure of singleton set x and singleton set y are distinct. That is, closure of singleton set x not equal to closure of singleton set y. Okay, let x tau be a T naught space. Okay, consider any two elements from the set x. Let x and y are the elements of x such that they are not equal, they are distinct. Okay, because for any distinct arbitrary point x y of x, so x and y are not equal. Here we have to show that closure of x and y are distinct, that is closure of singleton set x not equal to closure of singleton set y. Okay, since x is a T naught space, it is given x is a T naught space, then there exists open set G is a member of tau such that x belongs to G, y does not belongs to G. Okay, x belongs to G. This is by the definition of T naught space. X belongs to the open set but y does not belongs to open set G. X belongs to G nothing but x does not belongs to x minus G. Y does not belongs to G nothing but y belongs to their complement x minus G. This implies x minus G is a closed set because G is open set. Their complement of open set is closed set. Therefore, that is complement of G is x minus G is a closed set. Okay. Using definition of closure, we know that already closure of A equals intersection of all closed set containing A. That is, we have closure of Y equals intersection of collection F such that F is a closed set and Y belongs to F. Also, X minus G is a closed set containing Y. Here, closure of Y is also closed set. X minus G is also closed set containing Y. Therefore, this is a subset of x minus G. Closure of Y is a subset of x minus G. This implies x does not belongs to x minus G because here we have x does not belongs to x minus G. So that x does not belongs to closure of Y. X does not belongs to this nothing but x does not belongs to this one. Closure of Y. Call it equation number 1. Obviously, singleton set x is a subset of closure of singleton set x. This implies x belongs to closure of set x. Call it equation number 2. From 1 and 2, here x is not a member element of closure of y, but x is a member of closure of x. Nothing but these two are not equal, they are different. Therefore, closure of x set x not equal to closure of singleton set y. Okay, to show that this completes the proof. Okay, next, to show that x tau is a T naught space, next if and only if condition, if it is given in the theorem, then we have to prove this also. Okay, to show that x tau is a T naught space given that closure of x not equal to closure of singleton set y, then there exists one point P belongs to x such that P belongs to closure of singleton set x and P belongs to closure of singleton set y. But we have x does not equal to closure of y. But if x belongs to closure of singleton set y, then x is a subset of closure of singleton set y. This implies closure of x is subset of closure of singleton set y closure. This is equals closure of singleton set y. Therefore, closure of singleton set x is a subset of closure of singleton set y. Okay, that is P belongs to closure of y, which is contradiction because using equation 4 we have x belongs to closure of singleton set y implies x belongs to x minus closure of y. Y belongs to closure of y implies y does not belongs to x minus closure of y. This implies x minus closure of y is open set such that x belongs to x minus closure of singleton set y and y does not belongs to x minus closure of singleton set y. Therefore space is T naught space. Okay, next theorem. Let x tau is a T naught space and T1 tau 1 is finer than tau, then x tau 1 is also T naught space. Okay, suppose x tau is a T naught space, then by the definition of T naught space, for any two distinct points x1 and x2 in X, there exists a tau open set G such that x1 belongs to G and x2 does not belongs to G. This is all by the definition of T naught space. Okay, it is given that tau 1 is finer than tau. Since tau 1 is finer than tau, so every tau open set is also tau 1 open set. Okay, hence G is a tau open set. Every tau open set is also tau 1 open set. Therefore G is also tau 1 open set which contains x1 but not x2. Thus the space x tau 1 is also a T naught space. Okay, next T1 space. It is also called Prechet space. Okay, definition. A topological space x tau is said to be T1 space if each singleton set is closed. If each singleton set is closed, then the topological space x tau is said to be T1 space, or we may define this definition like this. Let x tau be a topological space, then x tau is said to be T1 space if for each distinct pair x and y, then there exist two open sets G and H such that x belongs to G, y does not belongs to G, and y belongs to H but x does not belongs to H. If these conditions holds good, then x tau is said to be T1 space. For example, x equals set of AB and tau equals set of x pi singleton set A singleton set B. Okay, to show that x tau is a T1 space, here we have to show that x tau is a T1 space. Okay, given that x equals set of AB, tau equals this one, here if each singleton set is closed, then it is T1 space. This is according to this definition. Okay, here tau open sets are x pi singleton set A singleton set B. These are tau open sets. Okay, tau closed sets are these complements of these open sets. Pi complement is x, x complement is pi, singleton set B complement is singleton set A, singleton A set A complement is singleton set B. Complement nothing but complement of A is x minus A. If x minus A is singleton set B. Okay, hence each singleton set is closed so that given space x tau is a T1 space. This is by this definition, or we may prove this in another way. Let A and B are any two distinct points of X, then there exist two open sets singleton set A and singleton set B such that A belongs to the singleton set A but B does not belongs to this singleton set by this definition, and B belongs to singleton set B but A does not belongs to singleton set B. Hence x tau is a T1 space.